doctor-supervised weight loss program, Chiropractic, is unlike any other diet that I've ever taken a part of. I had some really good results in such a short amount of time, and they have been long-lasting, and I am super excited to talk about it. Not just me, so did my husband. He decided to do it with me. It is so much easier if you have a support system at home to do it with you. He and I both had really, really great results. Because we did so well, my father decided to do it also, and he sustained some really good results too. So he has one of my favorite testimonials. I'll get into that a little bit later. And just for funsies, another familiar face, Dr. David. Dr. David went through the program. He actually did it before I did, and because he had really good results, I decided to do it too. And I just want to shout from the mountaintops about this program because it is unlike anything I've ever done before. I have tried every single diet in the book my entire adult life, and this is the first one that really stuck. It really made a difference. One of the biggest things that's different about Chiropractic is that it's not a typical fad diet. It's not a crash diet where you make drastic changes with no longevity to them, you drop a bunch of weight, but then the second you're done, you put that weight right back on. This just doesn't happen with Chiropractic. Chiropractic is designed to be a metabolic reset, meaning while in the program, it will lower your BMI and your BMR, and then after a short maintenance period, it locks those in. So when the program is over, as long as you maintain some of the healthy lifestyle changes that you've made along the way, you will be able to keep that weight off over a long period of time. With that being said, if you do go back to old habits that got you where you were to begin with, you will go back to your old body size as well. So just keeping that in mind. Some of the other benefits aside from weight loss, it's a good enough reason to do it alone anyway. So I sleep like a baby, 8-9 hours a night, every single night. It is glorious. Everyone should be doing it. I have super sustained energy throughout the day, especially being a chiropractor doing what I do. I am always on my feet. I am bent over people all day, and I can keep up with it. And it's pretty great. Digestion is super, super regular. I don't have any abdominal bloating or cramping like I did before. Everything is moving exactly the way as it's supposed to be. My menstrual cycle is less uncomfortable. I have less PMS symptoms. I have less headaches. My skin has even cleared up. And I absolutely love it. I cannot say enough good things about this program. I am currently taking new clients for the Chiropractic program. Consultations with me are always free. If you want to learn more about it or see if it's a good fit, I'm happy to sit down and talk with you about your goals and make sure the program is right for you. I'm Dr. Alicia Squires at Family First Chiropractic and Wellness Center. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.